Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to reverse the order of columns in Dataframe. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. Okay. So as I told, today we'll be discussing how to reverse the order of columns in a data frame. Okay, so let's get into this. First, let us try to import pandas as PD. This is basically used for data pre-processing. Try to add some more cells. Okay. So now we'll just try to read the CSV file. I will just give it as data frame is equal to pd.read_csv. Okay. So I have already downloaded one of the CSV file here, employees. So I will just try to work on it. Okay. So here I will give it as employees.csv. Just try to run this particular cell. Okay, so now let's try to explore the data frame. So here you can see first column is first name, second column is gender, start date, last login time, salary, bonus percentage, senior management and team. Okay, and this is the index 0, 1, 2, 999. So it has around 1000 rows and 8 columns. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll try to reverse the columns. Okay, so here we can see the first column is the first name and the last column is team. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll try to reverse it. Let's see how we can do it. What we have given here, we have given df data. Okay. So we'll try to give it as df1 is equal to df.loc, and here we are selecting only columns, so we'll not make any changes to the rows, and here we'll make it as -1. Okay, so now we'll try to run this particular cell. Okay, so here the first column is first name and the last column is team. Okay, so now we'll try to run df1 and we'll try to see. So now you can see the first column is team and the last column is first name. So we have reversed the order of the columns in the particular data frame. So this is how you will try to reverse the order of columns in a data frame. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.